Hello everyone, I am Vasudha. I am the IT trainer in EduCADD Yelachenahalli, Bangalore. I have 8.5 years of experience as software engineer and 1.5 years as trainer in NICT and EduCADD institutions. As a software engineer, I have worked on Python full stack projects and also on SQL Server projects. And as a trainer, I have uh, given training for students on different subjects like C, C++, Java, SQL Server, Python, HTML, JavaScript, CSS. And I also give assistance for real-time projects. So this is about me. So this is a small user interface for students, faculties, and admin. Students can use this interface and for registering themselves for any course. Faculties can check the students who have enrolled for the respective domain like IT, civil, and mechanical. Admin can also see the enrolled students and delete the students' details who have completed the course. So this is a small example of how Python can be used as the backend along with front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript to create a simple project. Once you learn the concepts, you can develop more complex projects. So now let me show you the demo. So first I'll register as a new student. So after registering, the details of the student will be stored in user details table in SQL Server. So here you can see Krishna as a student. So role is student. Now I'll log in as Krishna as a student. So now I'm redirected to course registration page. I'm registering for Python course. I'm submitting it. So I get this message successfully registered. So now I will show you if that record is stored in the database. So Krishna with this phone number and email for IT, he has enrolled. And he has enrolled for Python course. So course ID is 3, Python course ID is 3. So this is about using this interface as a student. Now I'll log out as a student. Now I'll log in as IT faculty. So these are the students who have enrolled for IT, web designing, Python, C++. All these three are the available IT courses. So the recent student Krishna who has joined for Python is also seen. So now I have this feature where I can search any student details by name, phone number and course. So I can give the student name as Nisha who has enrolled for both web designing and C++. So I'll just give the name as Nisha and click on search button. So I'm getting Nisha's details. So I'm clicking on the clear button. So Nisha's name will be cleared from this search box. Now I'll give the phone number as 877095445 who is which is Neetu's number. So I'll click on search. So I'm getting only Neetu's record. So I can click on the clear button. Now I can filter only the students who have enrolled for Python course. So I'll type here Python and click on search. So these many students have enrolled for Python course. So now I'll click on logout button. So this is what you saw just now was for IT faculty. So now I log in as admin. So password is admin and click on login. So I can see all the students who have enrolled for our institution, irrespective of whether it is civil, IT or mechanical. So the same features like searching the student by name, phone number and course, it is available for admin also. So I'll search by name first. I'll search it as Krishna. Click on search. So as I enrolled for Python and click on clear button. I'll search by phone number 9786468687 and click on search button. So Nisha has got this phone number. So I can even search by course name Fusion 360 and click on search. So only Seema has enrolled for Fusion 360 course. I can clear it also, and I can delete any student details. Suppose um, Shivam has completed the course, I can just delete here. So first let me show you that details of Shivam are here. So Shivam details are here, who's a student. So now I'll just delete his details. So I'll execute this query again. Now Shivam's details are not there because we have deleted it. So this is about the different roles. One is student, one is faculty login, one is admin login. So just log off. Now I'll try to register as a new student. So I'll say Karthik and I'll enter the email ID karthik@gmail.com. So I'll give the password like this. So password is like this. So I'll now click on register button, but we get an error message. Password should contain an uppercase letter followed by 6 lowercase letters followed by 2 digits. So this kind of uh, what to say, rules for password will be there in our day-to-day life, where we can uh, create password for our bank login and all that. So the same thing I have enforced here. So if I only give the correct password, so many letters, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 6. So I've given here like this. So six small letters followed by two small two numbers, and initially I have one capital letter. So I'll click on register. So I'll so Karthik details are stored here. So that's all for this video.